Next step to progress the hip 90-90, you can work it into a pigeon stretch and an active internal rotation stretch to work both internal and external rotations of your hips. So we would assume that 90-90 position again. And once you're here, if you lean forward, you kind of get into a modified pigeon stretch, which you're gonna feel that on the back side of that lead leg. From here, you can try to lift that back leg up, working some active internal rotation, or you can use your hand to help twist it up and then control it down. You can stay here and kind of stretch, rotate. You can just stay on one side for maybe around 10 repetitions on each one. Just working it into a nice stretch.